So good morning one and all present here. It's me Saksham, and in this video I'll give you a brief introduction on how to get started with the first digital skill, in which you have to create a quiz survey with the help of Google Forms. Now if you don't know how to get started with Kidex, you have to first create an account. If you don't know how to do so, don't worry. I have a video on my channel in which I told you how to register with the on Kidex and in the competition of Adel Tinkerpreneur. So I'm going to drop the link down below in the comment section so you can read it, or in the description. So first of all, what is Google Forms? Google Forms is an online platform through which you can create quizzes, surveys, and many other useful things. It is used in schools, colleges, and many offices. So I'm going to show you how to get started. First of all, go on your browser and search Google Forms, but with sign in. After that, click on the first link and you have to sign in with your account. After you have created your account, something like this will pop up. After you signed in with your Gmail, you see I have created plenty of quizzes and surveys, but I'm going to show you the longest that I've created. So you can add the title. You can bold it. Wait a second. First select it, then you can bold it, you can italic it, you can underline it, and you can even insert a link in there. You can remove fonting, whatever. Now I'm going to show you the entire quiz. You can see here, and also someone send a response here, and they also give the answer to this. So because I've sent them the link, you can see that when you create a quiz, what happens that you can either say see the responses that what they have answered, and you can also set that this is correct or what. Now you can see the score and whatever you want. Now you can go in the setting, and after that you can even set the entire quiz. Now I'm going to show you how to create an entire quiz from scratch. Create on the blank option over here, add a title. As I said, it could be like wait a second, let's say universe. Okay, then you can bold, italic it, and whatever you want. You can add question. You can either bold it, italic it, underline it, or you can insert a link, and same there. You can add options by clicking here, or add other. You can have many options. You can also add short answers like who invented the telescope. Then you can write here Galileo Galilei, basically very short question answers. Then long question answers, basically then multiple choice question answers, I already told you. Check boxes, meaning multiple choice questions, or basically the same with MCQ, but here you can select multiple choices. Along the way, you can also add image if you want. Now you can also select the drop down. You can also upload a file. You can upload a linear scale. You can use a multiple choice grid, or basically the match the following in checkbox grid. You can let them add the date and time. This is very useful when you are making a history quiz or any other quiz which involves dates, like when was the battle of Panipat fought and whatever. So you can use that. You can also copy it from or duplicate it from here. You can also choose any of these. Now you can also add title and description, import questions, add questions, and add video and add sections. So this was all about this. Now it's your choice. You can either create a quiz, a survey, a contact information, and many other things. See, there are a lot of templates over here. You can either choose it, you can either create anything, you can create anything along with your choice. And one more thing, like when we create this, we can also add in a image. So let's add in a good image like universe. Yeah, something like this. So we are going to save this in our downloads, download 22 GPG. Then after that, we can go in the untitled form. We can upload a image with the this option right here. Now it's uploading. You see, you can even largen it or whatever you want. You can add the title, you can add everything that you need. Now that's your choice. You can edit it and convert it in your own everything that you need. Now let's say I want to add in the image here, so I can also add the image here and something like this. So you can create anything with your desire with the help of Google Forms. And the best thing is that it's very easy to get started. You just only need a few more steps, and then you can master the art of quizzes. So that was all about this video. If you want a brief introduction about anything, you can tell me down in the description, so down in the comment box, through which I can understand and tell you about it. So that was all about this video. Thanks for watching. Take care and have a nice day.